My name's Quentin Overbeck. I'm one of the owners of Remington Farms in Remington, Indiana. Typically we'll harvest between 11,500 and 14,000 acres of seed corn a year. We typically have 1,300 to 1,500 acres of popcorn. We raise a little bit of commercial corn as well. We've begun doing some organic production, so we're fairly diverse. We were searching for a solution that would be primarily focused on our seed corn harvest, but also be able to transition that head into our traditional row crops. As we looked for a solution for that, we came across Capello. The ability to use it across the seed corn, the commercial corn, the popcorn, and our organic production, with knowing that the challenges that we'll have with some weed pressure has been really, really good. The adaptability of the head between not being brand specific has been a big advantage.
I'm Wes Hensler. I'm the operations manager here at Remington Farms. With Capello offering the hydraulic deck plates, it's allowed us to, especially on seed corn when the ears are a lot larger and there's a second ear attached to it that's a lot smaller, we can adjust on the fly and we're able to collect all of it rather than the small ears going on through and just collecting the large ones. Popcorn's the same way. You get down to the real thin ears and you can adjust on the fly as you're going through and a lot less loss.
Well, the chopping portion of the Capello head has been a really good experience for us. We do a lot of strip till, and sizing of the material on the popcorn stalks really made that work really well.
I've ran 17,000 acres through the first Capello corn head that we've got. As far as maintenance goes, there is very little maintenance, and the wear items seem to be holding up really well, especially for the amount of acres we've put through it. The chopper knives I have yet to change. We're getting close to it, but I think they could probably go another season. The snap and rolls are holding up really well. We will not be changing them for the next crop. Overall, the wear parts seem to be holding up really well with the Capello head.
We have just bought our second Capello head for this year. They seem to be really durable in terms of snapping rolls and frame. We're pushing these things pretty hard with minimal downtime. The reliability has been very good. This year we had a lot of challenges with weed pressure because of the weather that we had, and they've handled all that we could throw at them. I would recommend anybody to give it a try.